Have you ever pondered the safety of your PC tweak software? You know, those programs that promise to speed up your computer, clean your registry, and optimize your system overall. Well, today we delve into the covert world of malware camouflaged within these seemingly harmless tools. Now, imagine a wolf in sheep's clothing. That's essentially what we're dealing with here. Malware, short for malicious software, refers to any program or file that is harmful to a computer user. These include computer viruses, worms, Trojan horses, and spyware. And these harmful programs can be hidden in the very software promising to optimize your PC's performance. You see, when you download and install PC tweak software, you're often granting it access to your system's most sensitive areas. This is necessary for the software to perform its promised tasks, like cleaning up your registry or optimizing your hard drive. However, this also provides an ideal opportunity for disguised malware to penetrate your system. But how does this happen? It's a sneaky process. Malware creators often bundle their harmful software with the PC tweak programs. So when you download and install the software, you're unknowingly also installing the malware. It's a classic Trojan Horse scenario, a seemingly useful gift that hides a destructive force. Once installed, the malware can wreak havoc on your system. It can steal sensitive data, slow down your PC, corrupt files, and even render your computer unusable. And all the while, you may be none the wiser, believing that your PC tweak software is doing its job. So, is it all doom and gloom? Not necessarily. There are ways to protect yourself. Always download software from trusted sources. Be skeptical of free software that promises too much. Read user reviews and do your research before downloading anything. And of course, always have reliable antivirus software installed and keep it updated. To wrap things up, let's summarize. Today, we've unraveled the hidden danger of malware in PC tweak software. We've learned that these seemingly beneficial programs can often serve as a Trojan horse for harmful malware. We've also discovered how this malware gets into your system and the damage it can cause. Lastly, we've discussed some ways to protect yourself from this hidden threat. Remember, in the digital world, not everything is as it seems. Always stay vigilant and take the necessary precautions. By doing so, you can enjoy a cleaner, faster, and more secure PC without the hidden dangers. So, think twice before you download that next PC tweak software. It could be a wolf in sheep's clothing.